Welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can utilize this particular article AI writer to generate content for us. These are some of the sections which I would like to add in my article. So depending on your requirement, you can choose or you can select where and select one. You need to enter the keyword over here, and then you need to choose the number of word you want to generate. I will click on generate, and system will start communicating with the OpenAI to generate the article. Let's wait for a few minutes and our content will be ready. So here we can see content are getting started. We can scroll down to view the progress. And here we can see our article is ready. It will also suggest us the primary keyword which we would like to focus, then the title suggestion, and so on. We can easily copy this particular article, including the meta description, content brief, and so on, and use it on the pages we would like to use. Thank you very much.